Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to a new series that I'm going to be running on here for the next few months. As some of you might know, I'm getting married this October, so I thought it would be fitting to do a wedding nail art series, and I'm going to be sharing every couple of weeks a new wedding nail art design and then getting you guys to vote at the end before my wedding and yes, help me pick which nails that I'm going to wear for my wedding day. So let's jump straight into it. The first nail design that I'll be doing in this series is these subtle ombre nails with studs. I just think they're so pretty and a bit of a different take on the classic French tip for weddings. So I'm starting off with a nude base and I'm using this gorgeous shade from the Sally Hansen Color Therapy range. It's called Chai on Life, and I'm just painting 2 coats of that onto each nail. And once that's dry, I'm coming in with some liquid latex. This one is from Twinkled Tea. I talked about it in a recent video. I'm actually not so happy with how this liquid latex has been working, so I think I'm going to switch back to liquid Palisade now, which is my favorite. So anyway, I'm just putting that all around my cuticles to act as a barrier. And then while that's drying, I'm grabbing a makeup sponge and I'm just going to paint a strip of that nude polish onto the sponge and then paint some white underneath it, a strip of white. So this is going to create the ombre effect. And then once the liquid latex barrier is completely dry, I'm coming in with a sponge and then just dabbing it down. And as you can see, both colours are transferring across quite nicely, and I'm just going to keep dabbing at that until I'm happy with how the colours are blended. I want it to look like it's sort of a French tip, but also having that faded French tip ombre look, if that makes any sense. And then once I'm happy with how that looks, I'm peeling back the liquid latex, and it actually worked a little bit better this time, so I'm happy about that. And then I'm coming in with some acetone and a cleanup brush and just going to clean up around my cuticles and get rid of any excess nail polish. And of course then finishing it all off with a top coat. And now I could just leave the nails like this, but I thought I wanted a little bit of bling because, you know, it is a wedding, it's a big deal. So I'm then just grabbing this little Diamante stud and placing it towards the top of the nail like so. And there you have it, some really easy, simple and subtle bridal nails. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments and keep an eye out for some more wedding nail art coming soon. I promise I won't do all ombre. I know I'm so obsessed with ombre, I can't help but keep doing those sorts of designs because it's just my favorite. But yeah, I promise next time I'll do something a little bit different so you guys can get a bit of variety. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.